Good morning. Welcome back to the class. Yesterday I gave you one question homework regarding a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i equal to 0. That you have to solve. One more question also. I gave homework product of two matrices I gave. Right? Those two questions you have to solve and check the answer yourself. Okay. Right. Now let us see the next question. Why I am not solving those questions means already we have solved so many questions on product of two matrices. Third question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, totally 6 questions I have solved. 6 questions I solved. So that's why I gave homework that one. Now let us see the next one. If capital A equals to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Capital I equals to 1, 0, 0, 1, identity matrix, unit matrix, find K. Find K so that A square equals to Ka minus 2i. Ka minus 2i. Right? Solution. Right? A square equals to Ka minus 2i. Let us find out first of all A square, then Ka, then 2i. Otherwise, first of all let us find A square, then directly substituting A and I, we can simplify. Like that also we can do. But first of all finding A square is compulsory. A square equals to A into A. What is A? 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Simple multiplication. Simple multiplication. This is 2 by 2 matrix. This is 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Answer also 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. First row, first column. First row, first column. 3 3s are 9 plus minus 2 into 4 minus 8. That minus this plus becomes minus. Plus into minus, minus. I am writing minus directly. Minus 8. Okay. Next, first row, second column. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus minus 2 into minus 2 only 4 plus 4. Already plus is there. That plus, this plus becomes plus 1. This one, second row, first column. 4 3s are 12 plus minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Plus is there. 12 plus minus 8. It becomes minus 8. 12 minus 8. Second row, second column. 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus minus 8 plus minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4 Allah plus 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 it becomes. Already plus is there. No problem. Minus 8 plus 4. 9 minus 8 1. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. 12 minus 8 4 minus 4. That's it. A square value we got. A square matrix we got. Directly we can substitute in that. A square equals to Ka minus 2y. What is A square? 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. K into what is A? What is A? 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, minus 2i, 2 into I value 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay? 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. Simple multiplication. 3k minus 2k, 4k minus 2k minus 2 into 1 2, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 1, right? 4 minus 4, 3k minus 2, minus 2k minus 0, 4k minus 0, minus 2k minus 2, right? Just equating the matrices. 1 equal to 3k minus 2 or 3k minus 2 equal to 1. Minus 2 equal to minus 2k. Any one we can do. Minus 2 equal to minus 2k. Only one enough. Why? Because all values, whatever equation, whichever the element you equate, k value should be same. Okay. You can take any one. You can take any one. Either this one or this one or this one or this one. But if you just see that one, we can understand that this is very simple. 4 4 cancel, k equal to 1. Right? You can take any one, no problem. So 3k equals to 1 plus 2, 3. 3k equals to 3. K equal to 3 by 3. K equal to 1. You can take this one or this one or this one or this one. In the examination, one is enough to write, one is enough. Either this one or this one or this one or this one, only one is enough. No need to write all four values. Why? Because everywhere we are finding only one unknown value, that is k. Okay? We are finding only k. Here x is there, here y is there, z is there, w is there. Then you have to take all four. X is not there, y is not there, z is not there, w is not there. K, 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 k. Then only one enough to find out. This enough, otherwise this enough, otherwise that enough, otherwise that enough. You can select whichever the thing you want. Okay? You can select whichever the thing you want. Those who have not that much strong in basics, those people can take this one easily. 4 will come down. 4 by 4 equals to k. K equals to 1. That's it. Simple. Compare with remaining. This is simple. Even this also. Minus minus cancel. 2 2 cancel. K. K equal to 1. 4 4 cancel. K equal to 1. Right? No need to write all these 4 in this question. Why? Because only k we are finding. Question is find k. No? That's it. Next question. If capital A equals to 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0, and I is the identity matrix, and I is the identity matrix of order 2. Show that I plus A equal to I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay? Right. Remember that both are same. You can write the brackets like this or like this. Both are same. Sir has written brackets here in one way, here in one way. Both are same. Don't think like that. Both are same. Right? Be very, very, very careful with this question. Trigonometry formulas we should know. Then the problems become easy. lengthy simplification. Lengthy simplification. First of all, what I am doing, very beginning, let tan alpha by 2 equals to k, otherwise t, whatever it may be, I will take t only, t, tan t, okay, simple, tan alpha by 2 equal to t, right? Means then what a becomes, capital A equal to 0 minus t, t 0. Easy to write, no? Instead of writing a n alpha by 2, a n alpha by 2, just t enough. Sir, what is there? It is not so lengthy, you can write that one. Only one time we can write. Simplification very lengthy. Those many times we have tried. It takes lot of time. Okay? After some time we get multiplication here. It will be very lengthy each term. At that time it will be a problem. To avoid that one, if you take like that, it will be good. Capital A equal to this one, okay. After some next step we will find LHS equal to I plus A. I means identity matrix they gave of order 2 means 1 0 0 1. I plus A we find. I minus A. What about this cos alpha sin alpha? We have taken tan alpha by 2 equal to t. Then how to take cos alpha minus sin alpha? Cos alpha and sin alpha. Let us convert sin alpha and cos alpha in terms of tan. Formula is there. Trigonometric formula. I am writing the formula in rough. Did you remember sin 2 alpha formula? Sin 2 alpha in terms of tan. Sin 2 alpha 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. Did you remember? Sin 2 alpha equals to 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. Okay. Whatever the angle is here, in this half will be there. Whatever the angle is here, in this half will be there. Same like that, sin alpha equals to 2 tan alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. We want this one at the present situation. In place of sin alpha, that one we have to write. Next, what about cos alpha? First of all, I will write cos 2 alpha formula. Cos 2 alpha in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. So cos alpha formula, cos alpha. Again same procedure. Whatever the angle is here, in that half should be there. Whatever the angle is here, in that half should be there. Okay. So 1 minus, what is half of alpha? Alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Okay. These are formulas. But tan alpha by 2 means we have taken t, na? Tan alpha by 2 means what we have taken? We have taken t equals to 2. Tan alpha by 2 means t. 1 plus tan alpha by 2 means t. Tan square means t square. Means in place of sin alpha, we can write 2t by 1 plus t square. In place of cos alpha, we can write 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay now? Right. Let it be like that. Now let us see LHS. LHS, let us see. What is LHS? I plus A. What is I? 1001. What is A? 0 minus t, t0. Okay, 0 minus t, t0. Okay, I will write like this. Then next, this RHS part is lengthy. I will write here. Equals to, adding 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 minus t, 0 plus t, 1 plus 0 1. This is our LHS. Therefore LHS equals to this one. LHS became this one, right? RHS we have to find, RHS we have to simplify. Instead of writing this much lengthy at a time, first of all let us find out I minus A. Then let us write complete RHS, then let us. Okay. First of all let us find I minus A. Then let us see this one. Then multiply both. First of all I am finding I minus A. What is I? 1001. Minus what is A? 0 minus t, t 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus of minus t. 0 plus t means t. 0 minus t minus t. 1 minus 0, 1. Okay, now this is I minus A. This is also there. Let us simplify that one. Cos alpha. Cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay, now equals to cos alpha means what can we write cos alpha? 1 minus tan square by 1 minus tan square by 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square minus sin alpha. What is sin alpha? 2t by 1 plus t square. 2t by 1 plus t square. Sin alpha 2t by 1 plus t square. Cos alpha 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Here we can take 1 by 1 plus t square common. Observe carefully. For this fraction denominator 1 plus t square. For this fraction denominator 1 plus t square. Denominator 1 plus t square. Denominator 1 plus t square. Right? So we can take 1 by 1 plus t square common to make the further simplification easy. Equals to 1 by 1 plus t square common. 1 by 1 plus t square went out, only numerator will be there. Only numerator minus 2t. Only numerator. Only numerator. If you have doubt, let us check. 1 by 1 plus t square into 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. 1 by 1 plus t square into minus 2t. Minus 2t by 1 plus t square. If you multiply, you will get, that's it. Right? Now let us see RHS. RHS I will write here. Okay, take down those formulas. I am going to rub. RHS. What is RHS? This one. I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha equals to I minus A. What is I minus A? Answer 1t minus t1. Okay. Cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha is here. What is the answer for this one? This one. 1 by 1 plus t square. 1 minus t square. Minus 2t. 1 minus t square. This is like alpha, this is like beta, this is like gamma. Alpha into beta into gamma. Alpha into beta into gamma. I am writing beta into alpha into gamma. 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3 into 4. I am writing 3 into 2 into 4. Nothing now, no? So beta into, sir, why are you writing like this? Why? Because multiplying this one and with this, it will be a complicated one. To make it as simple as possible, we are doing like that. Okay. Now let us see. So this 1 by 1 plus t square I am going to write in the beginning. 1t minus t1, 1 minus t square minus 2t, 2t, 1 minus t square. Both are 1 minus t square only. Why? Because cos alpha, cos alpha. Both are 2t only. Why? Because sin alpha, sin alpha. Here negative sign is there, that negative sign will come as it is. Right? Now, let this 1 by 1 plus t square as it is. Let us multiply both the matrices. Okay? This is 2 by 2. This also 2 by 2. Answer also 2 by 2. First row, first column. 1 into 1 minus t square, 1 minus t square plus t into 2t. T into 2t, 2t square. Okay now, right. Next, first row, second column. First row, second column. 1 into minus 2t, minus 2t plus t into this one, t into this one. This one means 1 minus t square. Next, second row, first column. Minus t into this one, minus t into this one. This one means 1 minus t square. Plus 1 into 2t, 2t. Second row, second column. Minus t into minus 2t, minus into minus plus t into 2t, t into 2t, 2t square plus 1 into this one, same thing. 1 into something means same thing. 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 3, 3, 1 into something, same thing. One t square minus t square plus 2t square plus t square minus x plus 2x plus x. Okay now, minus 2t plus t into 1 plus t plus 2 minus minus t into t square t cube minus t into 1 minus t minus into minus plus t into t square t cube plus 2t. 2t square minus t square plus t square plus 1 as it is. 1 as it is, 2t square minus t square plus t square, only 1 t square equals to 1 by 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square minus 2t plus t minus t cube, 2t minus t, t plus t cube, 1 plus t square, 1 by 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square, minus t common 1 plus t square, minus t common 1 plus t square, minus t into 1 minus t, minus t into t square minus t cube, t common 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square. Observe carefully, everywhere 1 plus t square is there. If you take out 1 plus t square common, get cancelled. 1 by 1 plus t square into 1 plus t square common. 1 plus t square went out, 1 will be there, 1, 1, it will not be 0, 1. 1 plus t square went out, minus t will be there. 1 plus t square went out, t will be there. 1 plus t square went out, 1 will be there. 1 plus t square got cancelled, equals to 1 minus t T1. Okay, right? Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. See there, 1 minus t T1, 1 minus t T1. What is t? T means tan alpha by 2. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS. That's it. If you don't take like tan alpha by 2 equal to t, if you don't take this one, see how lengthy it will be. Very already if we take t itself, then only it became lengthy. If we don't take t, then it will be too lengthy. Particularly this place, this multiplication place becomes very lengthy. That's why in the beginning only we have taken like this. Remember, if you find this question in the exam, remember that we have to take tan alpha by 2 equal to t, number 1. Number 2, formulas. Sin alpha, 2 tan alpha by 2 by 1 plus t, 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Cos alpha, 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Those two formulas and this substitution you have to remember. Then you can solve the problem easily. Right? And be careful with signs. Negative sign, positive sign. Be very careful with that. Next one, objective question. A trust fund has, question number 19. A trust fund has 30,000 rupees that must be invested. 30,000 rupees that must be invested in two different types of bonds. The first bond pays 5% interest. The first bond pays 5% interest per year. And the second bond pays 7%. And the second bond pays 7% interest per year. Interest per year using matrix multiplication. Using matrix multiplication, determine how to divide. Determine how to divide 30,000 among the two types of bonds. if the trust fund must obtain if the trust fund must obtain an annual total interest of I'm sorry, this is not objective question. Two sub questions are there. First sub question 1800 rupees. Second sub question 2000 rupees. Right. Let us try to understand the question first. Question itself occupied maximum place on the board. Let us see. A trust fund has 30,000 rupees that must be invested in two different types of bonds. There is one trust. 30,000 rupees is there with the trust. 30,000 rupees amount is there with the trust. Be invested in two different types of bonds. They want to invest the 30,000 rupees amount in two different type of bonds. First bond, second bond. Two types of bonds are there. First bond, second bond. The first bond pays 5% interest per year, and the second bond pays 7% interest per year. Trust people decided to invest the amount 30,000 in two different bonds. First bond pays 5% interest only. Second bond pays 7% interest. Full stop. Using matrix multiplication, determine how to divide 30,000 rupees between the two types of bonds. Between these two types of bonds, how to divide 30,000 bonds? If the trust fund must obtain an annual total interest of something and something. If I stop the question here itself, if we don't ask this one, then no need to have any doubt. We can invest the complete 30,000 amount in this bond only. Why? Because 7% rate of interest they are giving. Then why should I invest in this? Right? But here some question is there. If the trust fund must obtain an annual total interest of 1800, annual interest they need 1800 only. If they want annually 1800 rupees amount on this, how much amount they have to invest in this? How much amount they have to invest in this? Is the question. If they want to earn 2000 rupees interest, how much amount they have to invest in this bond? How much amount they have to invest in this bond? We have to calculate. Two different amounts they want. Right? That is the question. Okay. Let the amount be invested in first bond. Let X be the amount invested in first bond. Let X be the amount. Let X be the amount invested in first bond. Invested in first bond. In second bond, how much amount is invested? 30,000 minus X. Therefore, 30,000 minus X be the amount invested in second one. Okay, in second one. Sir, how, from where we come? Totally 10 rupees is there. Totally we have 30 rupees is there. We have 30 rupees. Okay, we spent on something, we bought something which costs 12 rupees. Which costs 12 rupees. What is the remaining amount? If you spend some amount on first bond, then remaining amount is 30 minus x only. No? That's what 30,000 minus x I have taken. Right? Let us convert this into matrix form. Therefore, by data x 30,000 minus x. This is one matrix. Next, 5%, 7%. 5% means 5 by 100. 7% means 7 by 100. Equals to, I am going to solve the first sub question. First sub question. As per first sub question, how much amount do they want? 1800 rupees. 1800 rupees. I know what you are getting the doubt. That doubt I will clarify after some time. Let me finish this one, then I will come to the doubt. Okay? Your doubt is, sir, why did you take the matrix like this? Why did you take the matrix like this? I will come. Okay. X 30,000 minus x 5 by 100, 7 by 100, 1800. Listen this one. Afterwards I will tell. Simple multiplication. What is the order for this matrix? How many rows are there? Only one row. Only one row. How many columns are there? First column, second column. 2 columns are there. What about the order for this matrix? What is the order for this matrix? 2 rows are there. 2 rows are there. Only one column. Only one column. If you want to multiply any two matrices, number of columns for the first matrix, number of rows for the second matrix, both should be same. Yeah, both are same. Then what is the answer? 1 by 1. For the answer, order is 1 by 1. Only one row, one column. Yes, only one row, one column is there. Right? So, multiply. X into 5 by 100. 5 by 100 into x, both are same. No problem. Plus 30,000 minus x into 7 by 100 equal to 1800. Equal to 1800. This you can write in brackets. In the next step, let us remove the brackets. Matrix multiplication, keep as it is. Now equating the matrices. What is there? Here one element, there one element. Equating those. Let us equate. 5x by 100, 5x by 100 plus 30,000 minus x into 7 by 100 equals to 1800. Okay, LCM simplification we get like this. Cross multiplication. into 100, right? 5x plus 7 into 3, 21. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Minus 7 into x, 7x equal to 18. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1,80,000. 2,10,000. Right? 5x minus 7x minus 2x plus 2,10,000 equal to 1,80,000 minus 2x equal to 1,80,000 minus 2,10,000 minus 2x equals to 1,80,000, 30,000. 30. Right? 4 zeros, 4 zeros. 18 minus 20, minus 3. Minus 30,000. Minus minus got cancelled. X equals to 30,000 by 2. X equal to 15,000. Okay? As per first sub question, in first bond, let X be the amount invested in first bond. 15,000 be invested in first bond. 30,000 minus X be invested in second bond. 30,000 minus 15,000. 15,000 only. So 15,000 is invested in first bond. Remaining 15,000 invested in second bond. Right? Therefore, 15,000 is invested in first one, and remaining 15,000, from where we got 13,000 minus 6, remember this one, remaining 15,000 is invested in second one. Right? Same like this second sub question also. 2,000 we have to substitute here. In place of 1800, 2,000 we get. That's it. You try that one. In place of 1800, put 2,000, you will get the answer. Now let us see why I have taken the matrix like this. Why I have taken the matrix like this. Suppose if I take this matrix like this, what will happen? X 30,000 minus X. I have taken the matrix like this. 5 by 100, 7 by 100 equals to 1800. Okay? Now let us multiply these two. This is 2 rows, 1 column. This is 1 row, 2 columns. The answer is 2 by 2 matrix. How can you equate both the matrices? After multiplying these two matrices, we get a 2 by 2 matrix. Here it is 1800. This is 2 by 2 matrix. This is only 1 by 1. Equality of matrices says order should be same. Then only we can equate the corresponding elements. It is not possible. That's why we have taken the matrix like this. We have taken the matrix like this. Right? Okay? The second sub question. You keep trying. I told you. Same thing, same story. Up to here, second sub question by data, X 30,000 minus X, same thing. It is 2,000. It is 2,000. They want 2,000, huh? Yes, 2,000. In place of 18, 20 I am writing. You two don't follow the same. Right? In place of 18, 20. $10,000. Right? 5,000 is invested in first bond, and the remaining how much? 5,000. 30,000 minus 5,000 is 25,000. 25,000 is invested in second one. That's it. Right? Same type of question is there next one. You just go through once, you try, you will get the answer easily. Let us see in the next class. Thank you.